Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to play the game Risk. This is of the Hasbro brand and is for children of ages 10 and above. This is a 2 to 5 player game. The game contains an instruction manual, game board, 5 war crates containing the troops. These are the troops. 5 dice and a Risk card pack. How to play? Let us take an example of a 3-player game. First, the players choose the colored troops of their choice. Then, the deck of cards are distributed equally among the players. These are the territories which the blue player has received. So, the player places a total of 3 troops in each of his territories. There are three kind of troops. One is infantry, which counts 1 troop. Then the cavalry, which counts 5 troops. And then the artillery, which counts 10 troops. So now let's start placing 3 troops in each of the territories. So this is South Africa. We are placing 3 troops in South Africa. Similarly, all the players have placed the troops in the territories that they had received. The objective of the game is to conquer more territories. The player with the most territories at the end of the game is the winner. The youngest player starts first. He attacks the blue player. The red dice are for the attacker and the blue dice are for the defender. Here, since the attacker has only 2 troops, he'll roll only 2 dice. We compare the highest number with the highest and the lowest with the lowest. So in this case, the defender has 1 because 5 is greater than 4. So we remove one of the attacker's troops. And in this case, the attacker is the winner since 3 is greater than 1. So we remove 1 troop of the defender. If both the numbers rolled are equal, then the defender is the winner. The rolling of dice continues until one player has lost all his troops. And the winner of the battle receives 1 card. Once the player has formed a set by winning multiple battles, he can deposit the cards back into the deck and redeem his troops. So these are the examples of sets which can be formed. The first set deposited will give the player 3 troops, and the following sets will give 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 15 troops. 15 is the maximum. On winning a battle, the player receives certain amount of troops which he can place in any of his territories. Also, if a player has conquered an entire continent, he receives bonus troops. So here in South America, he receives 2 extra troops, and if the player has conquered Africa, he receives 3 extra troops, and there are certain numbers for other continents also. A point to be noted is that you can only attack the territories which are adjacent to your territories. Also, you can attack other territories marked by a sea route, which is demarcated by a dotted line. Once you're tired playing the game, you can stop playing and count the number of territories each player has. The player with the most number of territories is the winner of the game. So in this situation, blue is the winner of the game.